This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. The following work is devoted to the investigation of the value chain of KFC Company by analyzing its main peculiarities of functioning. The issue of the value chain now obtains special importance as companies try to win the rivalry and attract the attention of a great number of customers. The term was introduced by Michael Porter and started its development. Nowadays, under the term value chain, a set of activities that a company performs to introduce a certain good to a market or a customer is meant. Usually, using the term value chain, a person wants to describe the process of advertising, manufacturing, and peculiarities of delivery and image of a product. That is why it is very important to analyze the company value chain to obtain complete information about it. Main activities of the KFC Company and their analysis. First of all, it is possible to say that to work efficiently, a company needs a well-aligned system that will be able to supply it with good products. That is why KFC Company tries to find the best suppliers of chicken meat. However, taking into account the price of delivery, the company works with local suppliers to reduce the above-mentioned price. Such politics of a company helps to achieve several purposes, except the lowering of the delivery price. First of all, local manufacturers of chicken meat will be interested in the opening of new departments of the company as they will be able to work with it. Additionally, cooperation with local manufacturers can be taken as the guarantee of a good quality of products, as they will not spoil in the course of delivery. Some information about outbound logistics should also be given. KFC finished products are kept in its local departments. A great number of different kinds of food are kept in a freezer. Workers of a company just have to take them and prepare them, using equipment which is placed in the kitchen. However, the recipes should be obtained from headquarters in return for royalty payments. Additionally, staff training is also provided by headquarters and the price for products is established by them. In this way, a company guarantees a tight connection with its branches. Staff training in KFC. One of the main activities of the company is connected with the education of its workers. The company has a very diplomatic policy connected with staff and proclaims that everyone can find a job there. That is why a newcomer should be trained for her to be able to perform the main duties. The main skills, which a person should be taught, are determined by the officials of a company, and the whole training program should be coordinated with them. Additionally, these programs are free. That is why there are always many people who want to work there, and the company does not suffer from the lack of workforce. Technologies used by the company. Being a developed company with complicated infrastructure, KFC needs certain software to organize its work and make it more efficient. Two different systems are used in the work of KFC Company. The first one is the electronic cash register system, which is used by the company to control sales operations and provide daily reports connected with the financial side of the functioning of KFC. The second system is called the inventory control system, whose main aim is to help franchise and formulate the strategy of a company. It is installed in the headquarters of the company and helps it to coordinate the work of all its branches. Additionally, the company uses an enterprise resource planning or ERP system in its work. The given system helps to increase the efficiency of the company significantly by providing new ways of calculating data and working with different information obtained in the course of the functioning of the whole organization. There are several spheres where the work of ERP can be applied. These spheres are financial management, technical support, inventory management, asset management, forecasting, workforce management, time and expense management, and procurement. Application of the main tools of ERP promotes a significant increase in the efficiency of the whole company. Appraisal support system. The company also watches attentively the level of performance of its workers. That is why reports from different departments are collected and analyzed. This part of the functioning of a company is aimed at distinguishing who deserves some reward and who should be punished. Such a pattern helps to guarantee efficient work of the staff. KFC Corporative Strategy. It should also be said that the ERP system is used to coordinate the actions of different departments which are situated all over the world. The given tool allows one to collect data all over the world and process it to produce a universal corporate strategy according to which all departments of the company will function. Conclusion. Having analyzed the value chain of KFC Company, it is possible to make a certain conclusion. First of all, it should be said that the existing organization of the company helps it to achieve a certain competitive advantage. The thing is that all mechanisms, which guarantee the successful functioning of KFC Company, are thought through and well organized. The company has its local suppliers which suggest products of high quality and which could be delivered without some extra spending. Additionally, it is possible to say that all products obtained from suppliers are kept in local offices and could be prepared by specially trained staff. This fact can also be taken as a great advantage for the company. The products suggested to customers will be of better quality, and easiness of their preparation can also serve as evidence of the company's perfect organization. Being a modern company, KFC also uses different technologies in its work. Two different systems help to organize its work better. The first one deals with the financial side of the company, while the second one collects and processes information which is obtained from different departments. It is also possible to say that the great attention given by the company to its staff and different kinds of training results in the increase of the level of its popularity. Being satisfied with the quality of services provided by KFC restaurants, people come there again and again. That is why KFC may have a certain competitive advantage. Being aimed at providing high-quality products and services to its customers, KFC obviously will continue its development in this very direction. Moreover, it is also evident that further implementation of new technologies to the work of the organization will be promoted, and that is why it is possible to predict new ways in which the company will develop. Did you like this KFC Company value chain model analysis sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the database of academic paper examples at ivpanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs.